front end for an agent, but now these agents can just be done on those. So I'm pivoting the front end from making it like, hey, use these agents to just like a showcase of the agents. Okay, sick. You're up to speed, dude. So let me go ahead and tell her that because she actually could do something about it. You're just sitting here, bro. You're just sitting here, dude. You're just sitting here. Okay, I want to totally change the way this website looks and works and pretty much scratch everything you see inside the front end right now and let's rebuild it this way. I'll explain it all below. Get off DeepSeek because who uses that? Before I do this, I got to get my focus agent back up. It's only here till 3 p.m. and it's past 3 p.m. I don't know why I'm here, but dude, I'm always locking in. If I have an idea, I just build it real quick. So let me just build it real quick. I got the whiteboard behind me, but I also got my fingers. I could twiddle here and tell the AI to build it. So I just build it. I just build it. I'm just gonna build it real quick. Don't mind me, dude. Don't mind me. Yo, I love you too, dude. Thank you. Much love. Much love, bro. Thank you for sending that. Good vibes. Focus agent, let's start it, dude. Yes. Yes, please, 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 please. Yo, 777, dude. Okay, so the focus agent's here and he'll keep me on task. It's an AI agent that essentially listens to my words every once in a while. And I do want to do one thing with it before I go ahead and I don't want to print out this when it tells me the new agent's running. So let's go look at all the prints here. Let's scroll down. Scheduled to run. Okay, that's fine. Error processing. Okay, that's fine. May take a minute. Okay. Print raw response. Okay, that's fine. That's fine. That's fine. That's fine. All of this is fine. Okay. I'm looking for one thing, and it's really the recording. I don't want to know when it's recording, dude, because that kind of defeats the purpose a little bit. You know what I'm talking about? Just a little bit. I don't want to know when you're recording, bro. Just record. Got the transcript, the length. I don't need any of that either. Got the transcript, got the length. No speech detected. Okay, that's fine. Yo, 777, dude. My home natural 777, dude. Make it happen. The tortoise and the hare. Slow and steady wins the race. Oh boy. Oh boy. That's a hitter, dude. That's a hitter. Just keep it pushing. That's a hitter right there. Slow and steady wins the race.
He had a great quote that said, "Rest at the end, not in the middle." And that's something I always live by. You know, I'm not going to rest. I'm going to keep on pushing now. There are a lot of answers that I don't have, even questions that I don't have. But I'm just going to keep going. I'm just going to keep going, and I'll figure these things out as we go, right? And you just continue to build that way. So I try to live by that all the time.
Rest at the end.
Rest at the end.
Rest at the end, dude. Okay, so it's actually, I want it to look like YouTube. So kind of like this, dude. I think I want it like this. I just want a website like this. And honestly, I think I might make it more like this. If I go to my page here, yes. And I want it to be like this, real simple. Just these weird block sizes. I want you to look at the screenshot of YouTube and essentially rebuild a website just like this, where there can be these rectangle like showcasing images and then a simple title below them. The title would be the title of the AI agent. The title can only be one line, can't be double lines like you can see in YouTube. We don't need anything under the title. The website will essentially be these, and then maybe like a header on the website that will have a main headline, and that headline will say, for now, it'll say AI agents for the workplace. No, it'll say find your perfect agent to enhance. No, I don't know what it's gonna say. Just say AI agents for the workplace. Oh, I panicked. Okay, that's all. Just it's a headline, and then it'll just be these cubes here. And if they click on one of the cubes or the titles under the cubes, again, these will be like kind of like the AI agent names. Then it will open up another page, and this page will be bigger sizes of these same images. If you can imagine, like 2 to 3 times bigger, with text in between them. So it's just going to be a straight page down that there can be text above or below each one of these images. So if you can imagine, these are all going to be different agents. And if somebody clicks on one of them, it will be sent to another page where it'll just be kind of like a HTML page with the images and whatnot. And there can be text in between them, kind of showcasing the AI agent. All right, poor job there, but fuck it. Quería get a bucket. Make it happen, dude. Let's get it. 777, dude. Much love, much love. So we updated main.py. We updated agent detail.py. Okay, accept. Now please show me how to code it. Now please show me how to run it. I know how to run this, dude. I'm just doing that for the heck's sake at this point. Just because I like almost go brain dead, I forget that I know some things. I'll help you get the front end running. First, we'll need to create the necessary directory structure. Oh, snap. You'll need some placeholder images for now. You could use any images you want for the agents, but for testing, let's create some dummy images. We don't need to make dummy images. I can go ahead and put these thumbnail size images in. No worries. I'll just give me the folder or tell me the folder to put them in, and I could put them in there. I'll remove that part of the dummy images, but then go ahead and direct me, or go ahead and start the folders that you need. You can see all my folders in the front end. Love from South Africa. Going in my first year this year, and we have similar mindsets. I want to give back one day. I'm gonna lock in this. Yes, dude. It's so far, dude. Much love to you. Out there in Africa. South Africa. I'll help you set up just the necessary folder structure for images without creating dummy images. Then you can run the fast server. First, let's create the images directory. So did I do that already? Images, static, images, images, then agents. So we gotta run that, dude. Okay, agents here. This creates the path where you'll need to put your thumbnail images. Put your thumbnail images here. Then you can run this. Okay, CD. Okay, I need to get some thumbnail images. So let me just go ahead and get those, dude. Okay, so I got 4 of them here, and I'm gonna put them right here, my dear. There they are. Okay, there's just 4 screenshots, whatever, it doesn't matter. Let's go ahead and say CD run. Yes, let's just run it, dude. Let's run it for fun. Okay. Yes, it's fun now. Why is it running the model agency, the model factory? I don't know. DeepSeek model successfully initialized. Why you initializing all that, dude? I don't know. Application startup here. And then we just go to the local host. Okay. Let's go ahead and try it, dude. Doesn't quite look good yet. Agents for the workplace. I want to put looks great, dude. Looks great. Okay, so I was about to do this manually, but I'm just crazy, bro. Why would I do that manually? Why would I do anything manually? Okay, so please see that I added 4 images here. Please go ahead in the image folder. Please go ahead and use those 4 images randomly to make a nice collage of 12 so we can see what it looks like. Dude, AI is sick, bro.
Tan cagao, tengo un rifle nuevo que ni lo he tocado. Los fraternos son los peines que tengo tepeado.
Accept all. Let's go ahead and run this back. Why Tailwind, bro? I don't know. Why not? That's the better question. Because I don't know. This looks pretty Gucci to me. Except all the images don't work. Is there a way to make the images work? It doesn't seem like it works when I run it here. This looks really good though. Copy path. pretty lightweight and easy to use. That's what I've been hearing, dude. I've been hearing that people are liking Tailwind. So, and then I saw when I was trying to build a website, the AI had me use it. So double recommendation. I can't fade that. Okay, I gotta rename these. Trading assistant, PNG, images here, agents. So this one needs to be called trading assistant, trading assistant. Okay. And this one should be called research. This one should be called rename deep seek. This one should be called cursor.png. Okay. That was so dumb of me, but whatever, B. I was wondering why didn't it do that? Yeah. Okay, so this is fire, dude. And then when you click it, what happens? We should center this. On the second page, let's keep the back button how it is, but center the trading assistant agent. Let's make the titles twice as big on the front page of the agents. Except use the above PNG as the logo right next to the left side of the title and the title on all the pages of the actual agents. If they click that image, they head back to home. All right, so thank you, bro. There's a motherfucking back button on the computer, bro. Right here, dude. Why do I got a back button on this shit? I don't get it, dude. Yo, Josh, thank you, dude. 777, bro. Stay focused. Stay focused, dude. Let's see here. What else do I need to do here? Um, I want to submit a form. Build a on the bottom of each page have two different links. One link will be get a custom agent. And it opens into a new page, and we build a form out asking a bunch of questions about what that custom agent they want does. And then we submit it to a Google Sheet. That Google Sheet will populate the information. Nah, that seems too hard, actually. Let's just send an email. Just send an email. Let's have it when they submit the form, it just sends an email to moon@algotradecamp.com, and the subject of the email will be the subject that they put. No, it will be applicate. It will be called AI agent requested or AI agent application, and then have another link below that one that will open up to another page, and that one will be submit your AI agent, and this page will be the developer submission form. And again, it will populate an email, send into the same email, but the subject will be AI agent developer application. So we're making
So don't waste it living someone else's life. Don't be trapped by dogma, which is living with the results of other people's thinking. Don't let the noise of others' opinions drown out your own inner voice. And most important, have the courage to follow your heart and intuition. They somehow already know what you truly want to become. Everything else is secondary. Stay hungry, stay foolish.
Next focus check will be around 4:01. I need you to tighten up, bro. I need you to tighten up. Make sure I'm always focused, dude. Stay locked, dude. Stay locked. I will pay you unlimited to keep me locked, dude. You keep me locked, I will pay you unlimited, Google. I want to check between 5 and 13. Nah, that's chill because it's random. I don't want to know. But I do know right now. The chat window ignored my chat, I think. Damn, dude. Maybe because it had some API or something in it. Yeah, I don't respond to API. It doesn't respond to API anything. But it should, dude. I'm gonna fix that right now. Thank you. Because I'm gonna miss out on a lot of good stuff. API. I'm gonna run that back, dude. And I'm gonna get to your question. Cause you just made me better, bro. You just made me better. Thank you. Thank you, bro. Thank you, dude. So let's go ahead and try it out. I'm curious as to why you use Claude 3.5 and Cursor instead of DeepSeek R1 chat APIs. You could probably run the 7B parameter locally for structuring tasks or just the API. I could run it on my computer, you're saying? Yo, Alien 777, dude. Much love, dude. Could I actually run it on my computer? Because I don't think I can. I tried that. No, I actually didn't try it. But I tried it with the Lambda. So I don't even know what I changed here. Update the fast API router. Okay. Submit agent. Let me start this over, dude. I think this one. Create a new template for developer submission. You'll need to set up email, credentials, create a thank you page template. Yeah, also build the thank you page template. And just say your submission has been received. Thank you. Also, I don't see the links at the bottom of the both pages, so this should be like a structured footer essentially of all of our web pages. That yeah, you're building out the footer, and the first link is going to be request a custom AI agent, and then the second link will be submit your own AI agent. Yeah, so I'm not. I like 3.5 right here, dude. 3.5 is sick. I don't care about paying for it. I want to pay for it. I gotta do the things others won't do, dude. I gotta do the things others won't do to get the results others won't get. That's what I have to do, dude. So everybody wants to run their own models locally. Okay, that's fine. Save $2 a day. Save $2 a day. Oh, nah, but it's a good question. I tried it with Lambda Labs and I just didn't see how this would be beneficial to have to like do all the techie stuff. Setting up the whole thing, the thing, to talk to the thing. I couldn't get the thing to talk to the thing. I didn't want to set up my API to get that thing to talk to the other thing, and you know what I'm talking about. I don't see the links though. The standardized footer will be consistent on pages, prominent, stack, vertical, agents feature one. Okay, add a route. Okay. Gee, I'm just not seeing it though. I'm not seeing the links at the footer. Could you point me to where I could find that? You do some crazy artwork. Hey, yeah. Hey, yeah. Oh, okay. I see it now. Sorry. Request a custom AI agent. Submit your AI agent. These actually look nice, dude. These actually look nice. Let's go ahead and see what it looks like to have the purple one in the top right and the gray one in the top left instead of at the footer. And then at the footer, you can have a link that says looking for the roadmap, Discord, and GitHub question mark. And that will link on over to https / algotradecamp.com. I don't know how to say that. Just want to see what it looks like, dude. Looking for the roadmap, Discord, and GitHub. There we go. Requesting custom agent. Can we have this on the same line though? Or nah? Nah, I don't as much on it. I don't like them as much up top. Let's go